Hello and welcome to another edition of Do It Yourself with Saris. We provide a series of self-help videos that allow you to perform basic upgrades and repairs to your computer and computer-related equipment right at your own home. This week we're going to discuss upgrading the memory in your computer. Increased memory will provide increased speed when working with multiple programs on your computer. As always, when working with internal components of your computer, make sure that you're wearing a static preventive wristband. Today we're working with a Dell Optiplex 360. By going to Control Panel, System and Security, and then System, you can see the properties of your PC. Here you can see that this PC has 2 gigabytes of installed memory, or RAM. The first thing that needs to be done is to remove the power cord from the back of the computer. Once that's completed, you can turn the computer on its side and pop open a side panel. Some use screws and others use some type of latch system. As you can see here, there's a small latch that's pulled and then the side panel pops off. You'll probably be surprised to see the amount of dust that's built up inside your computer. You can see this one has some dust balls and other dust buildup on different parts of the machine. We're going to use a household vacuum with a standard small attachment to lightly clean out all of these pieces of dust as best we can. Now comes the fun part. You can see that there are 2 slots for memory in this computer, and there's 1 stick of 2 gig memory. It's held in place by 2 white clips, one on each end. Gently push down on those clips to release the stick of memory, and then you can pull it out. We've already matched it with an identical stick of 2 gig memory with the same processing speed. We're going to place both sticks into the PC. You don't have to pull one out first, but we just did that to show you how easy it was to pull it out and look at the processing speed and the size on the physical stick itself. You're going to gently push the memory stick into a slot, and in most cases the white clip on either end will snap into place automatically. Looks like that first stick is in, and he's just gently pulling up on those white clips to make sure it's secure. Now he's going to put the second stick in to bring us up to 4 gigs of RAM. Now it's time to put the PC back together. Replace the side panel by sliding it into its grooves and snapping it back into place. The crucial step in upgrading your memory is putting the power cord back in and listening carefully for any beeps or alarms coming from the computer that might indicate that it did not accept the memory that you added. In this particular PC, you can see a green light flashing on, letting us know that everything is okay with the new memory. Now it's time to stand the PC back up and turn it back on. When you're powering up the PC for the first time, you will probably receive a message that looks somewhat like this. You can simply press the F1 key to continue with normal startup operations. Once the computer is booted, go back to the Control Panel, System and Security, and System, and note that you have 4 gigs of RAM now installed on this PC. We hope that you found this video helpful and that you'll reach out to us if you have any additional questions or concerns about repairs to your computers or computer-related equipment.